Hello, everybody. Welcome to Catherine Sews. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here at my friend Judy's house this week, and being in her creative space, it really is just like a shot in the arm of creativity. We have so much fun together, just playing and playing and playing with all kinds of creative projects. So just some updates for what I got done last week. So I did finish those patchy jeans that I was working on last week. If you haven't had a chance to check out that video, check it out because they are so cute. I've been loving those jeans. I did finish that little stool that I showed you. I put a second coat of paint onto the stool and let it dry outside in the sun. I traced the wood top onto my big piece of foam and then used my giant scissors to cut on the line. So now I just have a piece of batting. The wood goes on top of that. And there's holes where the staples were and the hinges. And I want to wrap this around tight. And kind of open up the extra around the corner and pull that tight. Alrighty, so I'm just going to center mine like that. And again, wrap it tight. Just check it from the outside. Doesn't that look so nice? So then, yeah, I just sort of open out the corners, pull that tight around, make sure everything is tucked in nice. You want that corner to look good. If it doesn't look good, don't staple it. Just to clean up the underside of the lid, I cut a piece of cardstock and staple that all the way around. Awesome. And the hinges went back on with no problem at all. How satisfying. And that wasn't even difficult or time consuming. And it had sat there for 7 months. And you know what? If I had just spent that half an hour, like I think it was less than half an hour. If I had just spent that half an hour, then it would have been done, right? So that's always a reminder to me that sometimes these projects that we have sitting around just taking up space, they really don't take that long to finish, or it's actually okay to decide you don't want to do it and get rid of it. So I've been kind of having that mentality this week of just getting stuff done that's been sitting around while I was so busy. So I finished that little stool and I made a little white t-shirt from that baby rib. I was trying to make like the perfect white t-shirt. So that video will come out hopefully Wednesday. And then the next big video I'm going to do while I'm here with Judy. So before we get to that, she's got a couple of little projects that she wants us to take care of. She's got a couple of dresses that a friend was going through her closet getting rid of stuff, so Judy grabbed a couple of pieces that are almost there. So we're going to do a little bit of altering and tailoring for Judy and for her partner Cotty. He's got some fleece pants that he wears when he works on a fishing boat and he just needs to like kneel in a freezer for an extended period of time. So he wants to have like foam inserted, but the foam is not washable and I don't know how long that's going to last. So I'm going to make like a little pocket, like, you know, on a bra where the cups are removable. So it's a pocket with just a small opening that you can kind of roll up. So I'm going to do that, I think, on the knees of his fleece leggings. So that's not going to take too long. But the thing I'm excited about for the next big video is this dress that I thrifted last summer, and it's a beautiful linen dress, and you'll see though the color, right, it's just too drab in the color. So Judy has done a lot of fabric dyeing, much more than I have done, and so we looked around at different shibori techniques. So I'm going to start into that right now. I'm so excited to do like a really beautiful stitched shibori technique. So that's going to take some time and some love and some patience. So I'm going to start onto that today. We'll probably do the actual dyeing tomorrow. And so that's the next big video. So we'll also try to get out and do some hiking, some touring around. We're in the Courtney Comox area of Vancouver Island. It's so beautiful here. When I arrived last night, the sunset was incredible. And so yeah, it should be a nice few days of just creative playing. How awesome is that? So I'll see you on Wednesday for the white t-shirt and then next weekend for this dyed dress. Oh, and we've had a few people register for the Montreal and Toronto fashion trip. So I'm super excited to show you the beautiful fashion centers of my country. If you're interested in that, I'll put the link in the description here, and that'll take you to Open Doors website where Erica has everything ready for your registration. It sounds like Cotty is making us an awesome lunch, so I'm going to let you go for now, and I'll see you next time. Until then, you take care.